everyone, how are you? Oh my god, it's been quite a few weeks that I have not uploaded any video where I just did like in front of the camera, so I am feeling very weird. Anyway, welcome back to my channel Simply Styling. I am Diganta. So in this video, as you already know by the thumbnail, that I am going to give you my personal opinion about 3 products from the same brand. So I hope that it would help you a lot. So you know, Good Vibe is a very popular brand among the girls, I guess, and whenever I search something on purplle.com, the first thing that I see is their first selling product must be Good Vibes, from Good Vibes. If it's from skincare, because I guess they don't make the makeup products, and if I say about makeup products, it is NYBay. We all know that, especially on purplle.com. Anyway, this is not the subject of our video, so I think we should get started soon. And yeah, let's get started. So I think we should start from the face wash. So it is their face wash, Good Vibes Orange Blossom Face Wash. So this product says that it has no paraben and it is cruelty free, and this is a brightening face wash. Now let's see the ingredient list. So as I can see that it has SLS, and one thing that it has is glycolic acid. So glycolic acid is something that helps to exfoliate your skin. So if you are such type of person who really forgets to exfoliate her skin, so this is really a good option for you. So you don't have to worry about exfoliating, because it does exfoliate for you. The price of the product is 175 rupees, and you will definitely get discounts on purplle.com because discounts keep going on there. And the shelf life of this product is 3 years, so I don't think that it is a natural face wash. But anyway, I like this face wash very much because it doesn't make my skin stretchy or dry during the winter. But I guess if I use this during summer, it will give me a little, you know, oiliness on my face, because during the winter it gives me a matte look without making my skin stretchy or dry. So I really like this product for, you know, winter. And one thing that I would like to say is about if the product is travel friendly or not. I guess this product is not travel friendly because it comes with a pump kind of packaging and it has no stopper right here. So you really can't, you know, travel with this face wash. There are chances that it would leak or it would come out. So what I do is I have a Khadi body wash which looks very similar to this product. I mean, the container looks very similar to each other. So what I do is I remove this pump packaging and I just replace it with the Khadi body wash's cap, and I will share the picture somewhere on the screen. You can see how I used it with the Khadi, you know, body wash. But it is not important that everyone has the Khadi body wash or similar packaging like this. So I guess if you buy this and if you are going to travel with this product, you might, you know, face problems with this. I think this is the only drawback of this product. Otherwise this product is very much good. It has been like 2 months that I'm using this product regularly, and you can see that how much product is left. Oh my god, let me pull this off. You can see that how much product is left. So it is going to go for a long time, so don't worry about the quantity. And about the brightening part, I would say it gives an instant brightness to your face, but which is not long lasting. So if you are someone who is willing to buy this product for getting brightness, I think this is not a good option for you. So now let's come to a moisturizer, because what we do, we first wash our face with face wash, then it's time for moisturizer. So here I have the Good Vibes Rose Hip Moisture Rich Face Cream. You have seen me a lot of times using this product in my shorts, but today I will say many more things about this moisturizing cream. So the reason that I bought this product is, as I was buying the Rose Hip serum, I thought that if I buy the Rose Hip moisturizing cream, it would do better for my skin. That is why I bought this cream. And you can see one thing, that I really have not used this product. You can see that how much product is left. It comes with a stopper like this, which I really face problems of removing this stopper, because there is nothing that I can pull with, so I guess this is very irritating for me to remove the stopper. And about the packaging, I would say they have a very flimsy packaging, a plastic packaging. This product retails for 225 rupees, and it has, I guess, 50 ml product, and again it has no sulfates, no parabens, and it is cruelty free product. And one thing that I have noticed, that it has alcohol, so if you have sensitive skin, I guess that this is not a good option for you. Now let's come to my personal opinion about this cream, which is first of all, I'd say that this is not moisturizing. My skin feels so stretchy after using this product. I don't know, it feels like I have used a very harsh thing or harsh product on my face. I don't know why it is like that. I just have to apply anything moisturizing after use this product. I really don't get the point of naming this product as a moisturizing cream, because it really does not moisturize my skin. Rather, it makes my skin very stretchy. I don't like the sensation, because in winter my skin is already dry, so I need moisturization. That is why I bought this cream. It really did nothing for my skin. I guess if you have dry skin, then you can't use this during winter, and if you have oily skin or normal to oily skin or combination skin, this can be a good option for summer. But in winter, if you have oily skin, you can go for this. Though I have combination skin, but in winter my skin becomes so dry, so I need something that is highly moisturizing, and which this cream is not. You know what, one thing that I came to realize is the products that I buy for winters really don't do anything for me for winter, and the products that I buy for summer, I have to keep the products for winter. And this always keeps happening to me, because I bought a sunscreen, which is the Aroma Magic sunscreen. I really bought this product for summer, but during the summer it made my skin so much oily, so I had to keep that for winter, and in winter it really gives me a good result. So I guess this cream is going to work for me during summer. Anyway, let's come to this product again. So let's talk about if this product is travel friendly or not. So I would say this is definitely travel friendly. You don't have to worry if you want to travel with this. So yeah. And now let's come to the last product. So this is the Good Vibes Rose Hip Radiant Glow Face Serum. So this looks like this, and it came with this kind of cardboard packaging. I'm so excited to talk about this product. I have totally finished this product. There is no product left on it, you can see. And the reason that I bought this product is, the foundation that I use, which is Maybelline Fit Me Foundation Matte and Poreless. So as I told you before, that during winter my skin becomes very dry, so if I apply any matte foundation, it looks very flaky, and I don't want my face to look like that. So I thought that I have to use the foundation, so I need to buy a serum that would help me to blend the foundation. So I just ordered this product, and it really helped me to do that. But otherwise, I have seen that it is for hyperpigmentation, and I have hyperpigmentation around my mouth and under my eyes. I have used this twice regularly since the day I bought this product. It really didn't do anything for my hyperpigmentation, but obviously it gives a moisturization. It gives an instant glow, and it looks like you're glowing from within, and it also doesn't feel very sticky. So I am definitely going to buy this product again. But one problem is this comes with only 10 ml product, so you will feel that there's a huge amount of product is left on the container, but ultimately it is not, because I still feel the weight of this product, because I think it is a glass kind of thing, but it is very heavy. You can't say that this product is empty by touching it, so it creates an illusion that there is product left on this container, but it is not. And this product retails for 215, but it didn't come with this dropper. The dropper was in this cardboard packaging, so it came like, let me show you, it had a stopper like this, which is makes it travel friendly, and you can obviously travel with this product. like this. So you have this package and this, and you can take this along with this, and you can definitely travel with this product. So I think this product is very much good for traveling, but don't ever try to travel with this dropper with it. This is my suggestion because I have experienced it. And the ingredient list of this product is very minimal, and the shelf life of this product is 2 years. So I guess this can be a good option if you have dry skin, and if you face problem to blend your foundation on your dry skin, you can definitely opt for this and just apply a 2 to 3 drops on your face and just blend it with your beauty blender. So that was my personal opinion about these 3 products. I hope that you found it helpful, and if you want to see more such videos or any kind of videos that you want me to do, please let me know in the comment section. If you like the video, then please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel also and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a video, you will get notified. So I will see you soon on my next video. Till then, just take care of yourself, keep smiling, stay tuned to my channel, and stay safe guys. Bye.